Fed minutes drop, cuts on the table, credibility on the line. The Federal Reserve releases its latest meeting minutes today. Investors want to know if policymakers are finally lining up behind near-term rate cuts, even after bruising debates over data quality and a weakening jobs backdrop. At the July meeting, the Fed held rates steady, but two governors, Michelle Bowman and Christopher Waller, favored cutting to cushion a softer labor market. Markets now price a high probability of a September cut, even as recent inflation surprised to the upside, emboldening hawks. The minutes may look stale given how quickly the data flow shifted, but they'll still reveal how broad the internal push for easing has become, complicating the backdrop. The administration's removal of the BLS commissioner after an ugly jobs revision has raised questions about how much trust to place in headline prints, something Fed watchers say could make officials lean harder on a range of indicators, not just the monthly payrolls. Expect Chair Jerome Powell to use Jackson Hole to re-anchor expectations, signal that cuts are data-driven, not debt-driven, and that the Fed won't ignore sticky components like shelter and services. A credible path lowers volatility. A muddled message can jolt the long end of the curve in the dollar. If Powell frames easing as insurance, not capitulation, markets breathe easier, the fixed income strategist said cautiously. But any whiff of political pressure and the long bond will tell on you. What to watch next? Jackson Hole remarks and any nod to labor data uncertainty. Whether most officials now see room to cut, shifts in market odds after the minutes hit.